this one, it's not the link or anything. And I'm gonna open that. You could also go into your files and open it, but I'm gonna do it this way. And I will show you how to set this up. You just set it up like any other program. Agreeing and placing it wherever you want to place it. Helps you install it. And just right here, install that. Don't worry about that. And so we're going to open Streaming Assistant since it should be a desktop thing unless you uncheck that. And you want to click Wi-Fi or USB. Either one's perfectly fine as long as it connects. And so from here, you go into your headset and go to Streaming Assistant, which I'll show you later what that looks like. And you connect it like this. It should look like this. And it'll open SteamVR from there. Obviously, before you get to that page, there will be other stuff to click, making sure you have this specific like settings and GPU, CPU, and make sure that it works. Headset, you can make sure that I'm FaceTracking this method. You can go to settings and do the same thing. So eye tracking, it's going to need you to calibrate it first. When FaceTracking, well, you need to make sure that these are in movement. Streaming Assistant, that's right here. This should already be downloaded. You want to open this, and this is what I was telling you before. You want to go to your Streaming Assistant on your PC and click USB or Wi-Fi, and it should show up in your headset right here. And you want to connect that, and it should open SteamVR as I said. What it should look like, and you don't want VRC FaceTracking open yet, and so we're going to open it now. You don't want it open before opening SteamVR or connecting your headset. And this is what it should look like. Since you aren't in VRChat, it won't show your avatar, but we're going to open VRChat now. first avatar, the one I mainly use. This is what it will look like for this avatar. I will put the names below for this avatar and the other ones I'm going to show you. Depending on the light in the room, it could look different, especially depending on your calibrations.